So as you guys know, I am basically addicted to moving, which means that this year when it was time to move again, I had to call my besties at Piece of Cake. Well, first I had to wrangle Lenny and he was not happy about it, sorry. But then the movers showed up and it was time to get to work. And by work, I mean we went for a walk. Honestly, the Piece of Cake team has everything down to a science. Literally, they did everything so quickly. It was all packed up. That plant is fake, sorry. And then of course we had to say goodbye to the squiggly wall. And then it was time to say goodbye and make our way to the new apartment. Once we got there, we continued to not do anything while the guys handled all the work. If he wanted to, he would, am I right? I'm kidding, we are literally paying them for their services. Moving is obviously really stressful, but one thing I love about Piece of Cake is that they also make it, dare I say, a little sexy. It was truly crazy how quickly they set everything up. Also, our apartment is so cute. I will say, I truly thought the boxes would never stop coming, so like, are we hoarders? Yes. Moving with Piece of Cake is truly such a good experience. I was like, please don't go. But we couldn't have done it without them, and now it's time to tackle this mountain of boxes, so wish me luck.